guys, it's your girl Amarie from Amarie Lace Wigs. I wanted to bring this bodysuit to you guys' attention. I apologize about my voice, guys. I wound up getting sick from my granddaughter, and I don't know if the light is picking this up. This is actually an orange. So guys, this is a replica from the red, black, and this print right here, guys. Let's see this print. It's a replica of that. So if you guys want to make this and you watch that video, remember we can do it in multiple colors. So I wanted to show you guys. This is the orange. And I'm also next going to start on my shoe design. I'm actually got some beautiful orange shoes with some orange and yellow, and they tie around your ankle. But I'm also going to start on my shoe design, guys. So I wanted to bring this to your attention and let you guys know we could do it in any color. And I consider this a bodysuit because I do connect the back of the pants. And if you guys notice, this side I didn't leave. This one I didn't leave none of the sides out, but on the red and black. So if you guys want to make this yourself, and have the bell bottoms, the bells on the bottom. I do have a sew along video, guys. So you guys can watch the sew along video if you want to make this yourself. So thank you guys for watching. And as always, God bless, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, these are a couple still shots. Remember, this can be made in multiple different colors, not just this color. If you guys would love to make this yourself, follow my sew along video. It is actually the red and black leopard print looking product. So, outfit. So you guys can go in there and check that out, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I apologize about my voice, guys. Thank you guys so much for always watching. You guys have an awesome day and happy sewing, guys. This one is a beautiful vibrant orange, and I consider this my bell bottom connected bodysuit. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, God bless, guys. Bye bye.